That's a crazy puppy. Oh, one got out somehow. Ah, fuck. They're getting my toes. Fuck. It's not safe in here right now. Trying to get a video, but this is what's happening to me. Oh God, they got my pants. Uh-oh. Oh no, now they're shaking it up. There we go.
It's because I got all the toys.
Two brothers. There's your toys. Oh yeah, they got my pants still. Two of them are on my pants. Maybe three. Hi, Louie. Ah!
Yep.
Louie, let me go. Oh no. Oh no. Well, they've got a good grip on my pants. Some of them found their toys. Let's go drag my pants over to their toys and see if they got a lot of energy. We had them outside. I couldn't even get the camera on them. Oh shit! I think that's chaos down there. I've got too many dogs on my pants. Loki.
This one is
Royce. Oh, that one's chaos. Okay. Zelda is on my pants, so it's really hard to get a shot of her. Zelda and Louie on my pants. They're getting big now. They're quick. There we go. Now they've left me alone. It's hard work being a journalist. Shouts out to Rebel News. Check out rebelnews.com if you want to see Justin Trudeau's bad attitudes. Look at the colors on those. They were running around out back, but they were way too hard to get on camera right now because, yeah, they're getting into everything. Doing very well though. They're all eating well, playing well, pooping well. I think it's star date December 27th.
It's the 29th.
28th?
Yeah.
That's what I meant to say. It's funny that I said the 27th.
Chaos.
You should see these puppies scarf down anchovies. It's crazy. It's so funny.
This is Chaos and Skillet on this one.
Chaos and Skillet, and there's Loki coming barreling in. Oh yeah. They got some energy now.
It's your toys.
See why it's important to have toys. Is that you, Luna? Hi, Luna. Luna can be spunky, but she's hanging out by me. She's camera shy. They're looking for a route out. Escapers. They're pretty good on stairs already, which is surprising because we didn't give them much stair training, but when they break through the cage, they go out that way. They turn to the left and they go up my stairs. And all of a sudden we're like, ah, puppy breach. Doesn't happen too often, but it does happen. All right, Louie. Louie.
We got 3 of them going on the
Back enough to get them on. These puppies are the all-time greats. I hope you're ready. You get some nice hiking shoes. Get yourself some hardcore collars. A good spot is Dog Sport Gear in Langley. Look it up. They got some nice leather gear in there. They got good tug toys in there too. Made for like bigger, harder dogs. all the gear. That's Dog Sports Gear in Langley. Check it out. They're half decent. They respected my mask exemption.
You want his ball? That's funny. Oh, it's Damsel.
Some of the places we get some of their food is the Organic Grocer in Newton. You could go shop there too. You know why? Because they're not big box. They're not stealing from the little guys. They're the little guys themselves. We get a lot of our squash from these guys. And Glory Meats, we get a lot of our meat from Glory Meats. It's good to find a local butcher. I don't know, I find Asian butchers usually have a bit more selection for small prey like duck and etc. and parts and stuff like that. They just seem to have a better selection. I go to a Korean one actually. And they're dope. Not as dope as these puppies. They're pretty dope. Man, if I had a sleigh, I could be Santa with these puppies. The Surrey Santa Claus, he rides with pit bulls, 9 of them. Was that Roycey boy? He's very sweet. He's a big boy. Gigantosaurus. The pick of the litter. Big Royce. Shouts out to Jimmy and Chaz and family. They are getting the Roycey boy. Loki. Shouts out to Rachel and Derek. Luna, you waiting for Kayla? Mr. Skillet, Devin and Brett. Oh yeah, we got puppies that trap themselves. Who is that?
Damsel.
Damsel in distress? That is funny. She's living up to her name, Damsel. She's a very pretty girl. There's Damsel. Shouts out to my new buddy Joseph and his son Gabriel and their 2 cats. This dog will be raised by 2 cats. We put lots into these pups. We started them off on their mom's milk and a homemade puppy formula that we make ourselves that has all natural ingredients. We don't screw around giving them none of that powdered formula. We break them into food on raw ground beef, some cooked pork, fish, anchovies, always wild caught. Pretty soon they'll move up to herrings. They could eat a little bit bigger fish. They've had like things like chicken gizzards, which are very high and nutritious. You know, all small animal parts like hearts, kidneys, livers, gizzards. Well, they haven't had kidneys yet, but they could.
Hi, Royce. He's got some guys.
There he is. A puppy train. Can you say woof woof? Puppy train, woof woof. Say woof, mother bleeper, woof. No, I wouldn't swear on purpose. By accident all the time. Chaos.
Oh, we saw the ball.
Yeah, buddy. Shouts out to Andrew and fam. I feel like it was Crystal and Andrew. If I got that name wrong, it's because I couldn't cheat and look on my phone. Oh, there's the ball. They seem to like that. Somebody just wiped out big time on that. Oh, yeah. Puppy rugby. They're British, mate. The Glasgow Warriors. These pups have all 4 types of pit bulls in them: American Bull Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Blue Nose, and Old Irish Red Nose. And they know how to be pit bull terriers. Hybrids, champs, brought up on right food, right areas, sold to the right people. Oh yeah. You guys better get your excited belt, your excited sunglasses on, and be ready for some excited puppies.
Chakra, what are you doing?
You got trapped, Chakra?
Did you get out? Come on.
Come on. Let's get you out there. There you go. He's freaking. Chakra, there you are. You're looking for Tazim? Tassim?
Well, I will wait for
There you are, Shocky. Ready? All right. Good girl. Good girl. I haven't seen Zelda properly for a little bit. There you are, Zelda. We're behind Damsel. Hi, Zelda. Are you crazy, girl? What was that? All right. Oh, he sees me. I skillet.
They're starting to get tired. Look at Luna.
Oh, she got knocked. She's gonna go down. Maybe we could catch her on camera. It'd be funny. I'm running out of space. I got 2 seconds.